Praise you, Lord Jesus Christ.
Let your tender love, so inclined to pity, be softened in our prayers, and grant us the grace for which we honor you. Take from us all unbearable affliction and spare us you. For your sacred infancy's sake, hear our prayers.
Ayan na naman. Kakain na naman tayo, guys. Nahiya na naman ang ating diet. Bukas na lang natin eh. Kalimutan na lang natin ang diet, guys.
Again for this day, we thank you for the 6th day of novena. We thank you for the strength, for keeping us healthy throughout the 6th day. We find meaning more with you.
Hala! Sharon Canera! Hi, kiddos! Happy birthday, Epoy! Ulit! Wow! Look at that, guys! Diet again! Shout it out! Nasaan ang iyong mga pinsan dyan? Sina Dudong! Mami! Yeah, shout out! Kain lang, kain. Eh! Viva! Bit senyor! Viva! Cassie! Oh, special for you! Wow! Huwag ka nang umiyak! Kita! I'm taking video of you. Say hi! Oh, later you watch the video, okay? Yan na si Tito. O yan o. At saka si Tita with tatay.